When I first got the call, I thought that this was just a big hype.
Dr. John Murray has seen just how dangerous COVID-19 can be after weeks spent working in California as part of Florida's disaster medical assistance team.
To tell you the truth, I said, what's the difference between this and the flu? Totally changed my mind.
The Seminole County Assistant Medical Director was part of the team servicing the people coming off the Grand Princess cruise ship. The known positive patients went straight to the hospital, with the other 500 individuals held in quarantine at the Miramar Air Station in San Diego.
Our mission was to take care of the medical problems, keep them quarantined for 2 weeks. If they get COVID positive, take care of them. So that's what we did. We had a total of about 38 of those who supposedly were well that did come down with COVID. And of those, one died.
Having seen just how badly COVID-19 can take out a community, Dr. Murray wants to stress the importance of staying home in Seminole County.
I don't want anybody out here to have the same experience that I saw out there, and there's certain ways you can do it. People tell you to put gloves on, and they tell you to put masks on, but there's certain things they don't tell you.
Like how to do it correctly.
The outside of the mask, if you wear it and go to the grocery store or whatever, it's dirty. We'll never touch the front. This is what you're touching.
And when it comes to gloves?
The outsides. You have to think this. The outsides are dirty. The insides are clean. So, when I take the first one off, I just pinch it, roll it down inside out, and grab it like this.
Because while personal protective equipment like masks and gloves can be useful, it needs to actually be used right to stay safe. And it is up to all of us to do our part.
Here in America, we're all on this boat and we're floating along, and we, of course, like in every family gathering, we have differences and stuff. Well, when the boat starts leaking, you stop your differences. Hey, everybody, bail. Bail, bail, bail. Now's the time to bail. All of us together. We are all in this together. We all got to bail because we're either going to sink or swim together. And that's how it goes.